Hey guys, welcome. I'm Mark, Crypto Boy in Oz. It's the 9th of September, and today's video is just a quick tutorial. I've done a previous tutorial which is showing you how to send funds from a centralized exchange like Coinbase, KuCoin, FTX, Binance. So sending it from there over to a decentralized exchange, which you do via a wallet, depending on which blockchain you have. And the video was talking about Matic, which uses MetaMask, and it was talking about Solana, which uses their own native wallets on the Solana ecosystem. And I didn't go into detail on that wallet, so that's what I'm about to do now. First off, if you've just joined the page, if you just found the channel, this is my actual page on YouTube. Got 67 subscribers and growing. Really happy about that. So I just wanted to get familiar with it. And then we're just going to jump into finding the actual plugin for Chrome. So first off, you've got to be using Google Chrome. I think most people do use it, but if you don't use it, then you need to start using it. Just type in Google. So you want the Chrome Web Store. So once you're actually here, you search the store. So you want to search for. Now this video is specifically for. Sorry, I'm just getting a ping. So this video is specifically for Phantom. Now, there are quite a few other Solana wallets out there, but Phantom's the one I use, and I like it, and it's the out of the bunch. I mean, I don't suppose it really matters which one you go for, but for the purposes of this video, I'm going to be using Phantom. So search for Phantom. And this is it, offered by Phantom.app, a crypto wallet reimagined for DeFi and NFTs. Currently, it's only got 73 reviews, so I should be giving one myself, but I'll do that another time. So here we are. And it says the #1 Solana wallet. That's the reason why I downloaded it. So you can collect your NFTs on it, swap tokens on it. So you don't have to use a DEX. You can do things from within the wallet. Just that I prefer using a DEX just to sometimes you get more liquidity between different coins, and you can get like better prices too than going direct through the wallet itself. But anyway, we'll add that to Chrome. We'll click add extension, and it's popped up here. So obviously if you're just starting out, you just click on create new wallet. And this is important. So this is your secret recovery phrase. So if this is the first time you've ever used a private wallet, like you've not used a MetaMask wallet, this is the key to the kingdom. This is the most important thing in your arsenal. So without this, no one can access your wallet. And if you lose it, you can't access your wallet. So if you lose, like say if you deleted the app, you deleted the extension off your Chrome, off your Chrome browser, and the only way to get it back is to recover it with the secret recovery phrase or the seed phrase, and you need this. So without this, so this is very, very important. So I'm just going to copy this down. So now I've actually copied it down. Now, if you look here, it's saying copy. You can copy it and you can paste it somewhere, but I wouldn't recommend saving it onto your PC, because the whole point of having this recovery phrase is so no one can access it. So if somebody hacked your PC, then if they're capable of hacking your PC, then they're probably capable of finding your recovery phrase wherever you've saved it on your PC. So I recommend writing it down. Sorry. Writing it down on a piece of paper somewhere, maybe keeping multiple copies. Some people have actually done printed onto metal plates to make it a bit more hard wearing. However you choose to do it, just make sure that if somebody accesses it, they've got access to your wallet. And if they've got access to your wallet, they've got access to your funds. It's basically like giving someone access to your online banking or giving someone your PIN number and giving them the debit card as well, or your credit card. So they've got complete access to it. And once they've got access to it, if they sent them coins to another wallet, they're pretty much gone. There's no way of ever getting them back. So please make a note of how important this recovery phrase is, this seed phrase is, and obviously write it down in order. I mean, I generally write it down top down in a list, so present, subject, menu, just in a list one down. And when you've saved it, when you've wrote it down, then click this, and then create a password. So I'm just going to create a password now. So I've just created a password, and again, like, don't forget your password. Like, simple things, but so many people create passwords and they're so blasé about it, like, it's just a password. Don't forget your password, because if you forget your password, then you need to use your recovery seed phrase, and if you get that wrong, you're screwed. That's it. It's gone. You're gone forever. So remember your password. So this is quite handy as well. So you can open Phantom at any time by using this handy keyboard shortcut. So Alt, Shift, and P, which is handy. So you don't need to go and click it. You can just do this shortcut, and that'll open the app. That's it. You're all done. Want to follow them on Twitter? Maybe join the Discord if you want to. I'm not into that. And finish. So now you're thinking, where has it gone? Like, what's happened? So come up here, and you can see my MetaMask wallet. So you click on this little jigsaw puzzle thing here. Click it, you see extensions, then you see Phantom, and you've got a little pin. So you just click that, and then your little Phantom pops up there. Your little ghost, in a I don't know, ghost in a fishbowl maybe. So click on that, and obviously, because I've already put my password in, so this is the wallet itself. And if you look up here, this is your address. So this is what you give to people for them to send money. Or this is like if you're going on an exchange, you want to send money to your wallet. So you copy this from your clipboard, and then you send that from your like Coinbase, CoinSpot, Binance, where you put in where you want to send it to. This is where you paste in this address, and then that'll come. Sorry, my phone's pinging away. Telegram. I tell you what, I don't want to disable them, but Telegram sometimes drives me mad. Mute. Right, so when you send funds from your exchange, they pop up in here. So if you go back to my previous video, I show you how to do that. And obviously the wallet is already here, but I didn't show you how to create the wallet. So if you combine the two, you've got a win-win. You've got a way to completely set up a Phantom wallet on Solana, and the method of how to send funds from your centralized exchange over to this wallet, which then in turn lets you to purchase coins, tokens on decentralized exchanges, which then gives you exposure to 10x gems, 100x gems, 1000x gems. Think about it. Think about it for a second. Think about Ethereum in 2017. It could do smart contracts, but no one knew what was coming. No one knew what DeFi was. No one knew any of this stuff. So all these projects were launched within 1 to 2 months after Ethereum launching smart contracts. The value of these projects was so cheap because nothing was established. And basically, if you missed out on Ethereum, you can do it all with Solana. And if you've missed out on Solana, the actual token itself, like I have, I sold it. If you missed out on Solana, then get in on the ecosystem, because believe me, you're going to be picking coins up for like 50 cents, $1, and in the next bull cycle, by the end of this bull cycle, they could be $10 a coin, but by the next bull cycle, these are going to be like your $30, $40, $50 tokens, and that's probably being conservative, because the way I see Solana is I see Solana being like Ethereum, like because of how fast and how cheap transactions are. So anyway, I'll not go on too much because it was just a tutorial on how you set up your Phantom wallet. And if you're using if you're using a different wallet, a Solana wallet, basically exactly the same. I mean, the actual interface itself might look a little bit different, but apart from that, it's exactly the same. But one thing I will mention as well, if you want to add a wallet, so you click add a wallet, so you can create a new wallet, generate a new wallet address. So it's the same seed phrase, the same login, but like now, when you go up here, you've got two wallets. So if you wanted to separate coins, say you wanted to have a savings portfolio, and you wanted to have a portfolio for your kids or your wife or whatever it may be, or you just want to separate your coins. So if somebody actually got your wallet address, don't forget, no one can take your money from your wallet address. This is basically what you give to people to send you money. They can only send, they can't take. Nothing can come out of it. But say if somebody does have your wallet, and they know it's you, and they know what your wallet address is, and they know that wallet belongs to you, well, it's a public ledger, so someone can paste that wallet address into the Solana scam blockchain, and they can see what tokens you hold. So if you want to kind of, it might not be an issue, but if you wanted to separate your coins or you separate your worth, then you can have multiple wallets, as many as you want, and you can have coins in each one separating them all completely. That's just an option. Not saying you want to do that. You can also lock your wallet if you don't want anyone to have access to it. And then down here, so this is your balance. This is your collectibles. So this is basically for NFTs, which I don't possess any. This is if you want to swap. So if you want to just use the wallet itself for like changing from one token to another, you can do. I personally like to use Radium just because of all the features it has with it. This is activity, so when you've done transactions, they'll appear here. And then you've got this is you can rename your wallets, so you can obviously give them a name. So like if one's saving up for a car, one's saving up for retirement, whatever it may be, it doesn't matter, whatever. And then you've got your address book. So this is where you can, when you come in here and you say if you're sending money to different people, you've got different wallet addresses, or you're sending to an exchange. Like if you've got like a Binance account and you want to send coins back to Binance, so then you can offboard fiat, so you can cash out into cash. So then you can add the address, which is just the same thing in reverse. So you add the address of your Binance account in here, and then you can save it as like my Binance account. Or if you're sending money to a friend, you can put your friend's name in, whatever it may be. It's just basically linking the actual address itself with something that makes sense to you. So a person's name or an exchange. So that's what you can do with that. And then you've got trusted apps. So this is when you're linking your account. So like if I went on Radium and you approve, you have to approve that it connects to the Phantom app, then that'll be one of the trusted apps which will pop up. So whatever like DEXs you're using, that'll be on a trusted app. And then you've got an auto lock timer. So if you kind of leave your PC and you forget, then it'll automatically time out. It's currently set to 15 minutes, which is a pretty cool feature. And then you've got configure your network settings. So this is the mainnet of beta. If you'd want to change it to anything else, I don't know. But yeah, I hope this has been helpful. If you've got any questions, please put them in the comments below. If you like the video, smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you want more content being shown to you, and click the bell notification so you get notified when I bring out new content. And remember, invest well. Most important thing, invest well. Strong fundamentals, good founder, good developers, got a use case, preferably it's being used. And remember, there's a crypto boy in every single one of you, even you women out there.